In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy IKEA products from overseas. If you're an IKEA fan, living in a country where IKEA doesn't operate, it can be a real bummer not to have access to their affordable and stylish furniture. But don't worry, there's a way to get those items delivered right to your doorstep from abroad, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you'll want to visit the IKEA Philippines website. This will serve as your starting point. Once you're there, you'll notice that IKEA operates websites tailored to different regions. It's important to choose the country where the item you wish to purchase is available. Different countries have different stock items, and prices can vary, so be sure to do a little research to find what's best for you. Simply navigate through the website to select your preferred region, paying attention to availability and shipping details. Next, it's time to search for the product. Use the search bar to type in the name or description of the IKEA product you're interested in. Make sure to note down details like the product dimensions and compatibility with other items if needed. Take your time browsing to ensure you've chosen the right product because sending furniture overseas can be costly, so you want to get it right the first time. Now, because you're ordering from an international IKEA store, you'll need to use an international shipping or forwarding service. These are companies that provide you with a local address in the country where IKEA operates. Once you place your order, IKEA ships to this address, and the forwarding service then ships the item to your international address. Before proceeding, make sure you sign up with the forwarding service. Choose a reputable company and understand their costs and delivery times. With the shipping logistics worked out, it's time to place your IKEA order. Add the products to your cart on the IKEA website. Follow the checkout process using the local address provided by your forwarding service. Double-check all the details to avoid errors that could result in shipment delays or additional costs. After placing your order, it's time to wait. Your IKEA order will be sent to the local address of your forwarding service, which will then forward it to you. It can take some time for international shipping, depending on your location and the chosen service provider. Patience is key here. And there you have it. A neat little workaround to get your hands on stylish IKEA products no matter where you live. Remember to consider the extra costs involved in international forwarding and shipping, which might affect your budget. Happy shopping!